Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? I have a Saab 2001 925 V6 garbage can. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to take off the crank sensor. Okay, so I'm under the engine right now. This is the crankshaft sensor. Bear with me, you guys. So we have one screw right there, okay, which is a torque screw. So I'm actually gonna try to take this bracket off first. Okay, that screw right there that you see. Excuse me, bear with me here. I'm gonna take that screw first off to try to pull this screw off. So, you know, just so I can get some space in there because this bracket is holding me back. So this is actually a 3/8 torque socket. So you take that bowl off. Okay, and I'm using this tool, so this makes it more easier for me to take it off. All right, guys, in order to reach the second bolt that this thing is attached to, in order to reach that bolt right there, you have to go on this side. Okay, and this tool will really help a lot. So you stick your tool, you know, behind here, and just line it up, you know, and then after you just loosen it up, and that you don't have to take it all the way out. You just need enough space to get to that crankshaft you know, sensor bolt right there. All right, you guys, now we have enough space to take our, you know, so this is a 1/4 torque socket. Okay, so put that in there. Lefty loosey, tighty righty, remember. That crankshaft torque bolt could be a little tricky, so what I did is I put it all the way in there, I straighten it out, and I just spinning it right here from the side right here. As you guys can see, it's a great technique right here. Just straighten it out and just spin it. It's coming right off. Now I can just take it off my hand already. Make sure you don't lose it, you know, put your bolts in a safe place. A little tricky bolt. There we go. You know, we have the bracket, and that's for the crank sensor. So now we can pull that crank sensor off. So we took our bowl off. Just go ahead and yank it out. Alright, so that came out pretty good. I didn't have to force it or nothing, just pushed it out. Okay, so make sure you disconnect it from the top before you bring it out, okay? This is our old crank sensor. Alright, you guys. So we're looking for our wire for our crankshaft sensor. Alright, so this is this right here, this blue tab with the red. So you guys can see it. This right here is gonna be the connector to the crankshaft sensor, okay? So go ahead and pop this out right here with a screwdriver. So this tab comes out, and you're able to go ahead and pull it out. It's good if you actually just leave it in there and just trace where the cable goes to. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm running the crankshaft sensor from the bottom up, okay? So let me get my hand in here and just get the other end and see it right here. Just bring it up a little bit. Right there, perfect. And I could just run the new one right under through here. All right, so help me out running the crankshaft sensor from the bottom up, okay, instead of up down. Alright, you guys, so I have the new crankshaft sensor in there. I went ahead and I ran it from the bottom up. Okay, you guys can see it's in there already. I'm gonna go ahead and put the little bolt back on there, tighten it up. Okay. Alright, you guys, already, I'm just putting everything back just the way I did, you guys. It should be really easy as long as you guys take this bracket off first. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more educational videos. Till next time, you guys.